Hey lovely, so back from where we left off in my last video. Like I was saying, I did not want to sit in the dryer for a longer time because it was already 1 a.m. as I was shooting this video and I needed to sleep and go to work, you know? So I decided that, you know what, let me just twist the hair. And because it was already defined and also because it was already combed through, I don't need to comb through this. Like, I literally used about 15 to 20 minutes to finish the twists on my hair. And I would have used about an hour and 30 minutes to set the hair. I mean, if I want it to set really well, I would have used that. So it saved me a lot of time to transform this hairstyle into something that is also equally nice. You know what? Yeah, so basically what I'm doing is just doing bigger twists. Like I'm just twisting the wash and go into bigger twists. I mean, the main idea was to do a wash and go, but I realized that, it was already late and I can't sit in the dryer to set my hair. And I needed to go to bed to sleep because I had to go to work, you know. So the other thing to do was to just twist the hair, transform it into another style that I can sleep in without even wasting a lot of time setting the hair. So all that I'm doing is just twisting the sections. I think I did a total of like 8 to 9 twists in all. Yeah, so you would realize that I mean these were really, really big twists, not anything smaller. So yeah, this is my hair set in, I mean, all twisted up, and I decided to also blow dry it, but I did not show that part because I blow dried it with my ionic blow dryer for like I think 10 minutes, yes. And that dryer is super, 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 super good. So it's just gave me that kind of look I was looking for, like this set I was looking for before I slept. Okay, so you can see the difference. It wasn't really like dry, but it was okay for me to sleep in it. Okay, so yeah, I didn't want to waste a lot of time, so I would just I mean s- put my rubber band and then put it at the back. Yeah, so in order to make it like look extra, I decided to add extensions, okay, to make my band look bigger. And yeah, this is what took it to the next level. I mean, you do anything that works for you, okay, when it comes to styling natural hair. I love it because it's versatile and you can do anything. Yeah, so all I'm doing is just twisting the whole thing. Like I didn't really know what I was doing at this point, but I knew that I was going to do something crazy or something different or something that was going to make this style look lit. And yes, that was exactly what I was doing. Okay, I was just twisting the hair and then rolling it around it. Then came in handy my bobby pins. Okay, I just put my bobby pins on this, and this is exactly what I was looking for. Okay, okay, this is the back, and you know what, let me just show you what it looks like in the morning when I was ready to go to work. Okay, like, girl, look at this. Look at this style. Amazing, right? Yeah. Very, very pro. I mean, like, very, very simple, very, very work friendly, and I really love this style. Like, I got a lot of good compliments from this, and no one knew that it was a wash and go that I transformed to this. So that's for watching. Bye.